Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge coin and the possibility of Shibadoge hitting 1,000,000% in the future. I'm not saying Shibadoge can hit 1,000,000% this year, but of course there's possibility. But now Shibadoge have started the journey already. Remember last year Shibadoge was only listed on Uniswap V2, and that was even before the end of 2022. Between October, Shibadoge was still listed on Uniswap V2 and then IndoEX. But right now, I think we have Hotbit, we also have BKEX, we also have Bitmart that just listed this coin. Now, this Shibadoge is going to gain more exchanges listing Shibadoge before the end of this year. We are expecting between 5 to 10 exchanges listing this coin. The possibility of Shibadoge hitting 1,000,000% is possible. Remember, there are some coins that people always look up to. For example, people believe that Shibadoge is the next Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu have actually gained millions of percent within the space of 18 months. Now, Shibadoge with about 16 zeros, of course, so many people believe this coin can delete up to 5, 6, 7 zeros, okay? But I still believe that, yeah, there's a possibility. People have been watching Shibadoge, the staking have really increased. Many exchanges are actually listing Shibadoge. I mean, you start hearing Shibadoge getting massive listing. Now, Shibadoge coin, I believe that before the end of this year, Shibadoge can hit 10,000 or 100,000%. Now, we believe that between LBank, Get.io, and also Crypto.com, one of these or two of these might be listing Shibadoge before the end of 2023, because these are the major three. Shibadoge have openly come out to say they are working towards getting Shibadoge to be listed by these exchanges, and these are top exchanges that can really bring a better impact on Shibadoge coin. I believe that before the end of this year, Shibadoge will definitely be on the right track, and let's hope that Shibadoge can hit up to 1,000,000%. Deleting 2 zeros about 10,000, 3 zeros or 4 zeros about 1,000,000%. That's a possibility. With about 16 zeros, of course, Shibadoge can delete up to 4 or 5 zeros. But I know this is going to take a long time, because crypto industry, when Shiba Inu was actually booming, is now different from the crypto industry of today. You can see even BTC, after hitting $7,000, drop all the way to 15,000. So getting back on track is not really easy, not just for Shibadoge, even Bitcoin itself. So I believe Shibadoge with time, holders will be smiling, and I hope before the end of this year, Shibadoge will definitely make us proud. Shibadoge will be deleting at least 1 or 2 zeros. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.